Hi, Chemistry. This is Miss Hohenstein coming at you from my very own house, which is a little bit strange, but I know that some of you want to continue to learn, even with school closures. So this is me trying to figure out how to do that. My goal is to go through the PowerPoints and be able to go through them with you, so I'm not just sending them to you, and work a few problems so you can continue to keep up with AP Chemistry if you'd like to. Um, Obviously, none of the work I assign is graded, but I'm guessing some of you are going to get really bored sitting at home and are going to be interested in continuing to learn anyway. So let me take you on the tour, explain what all the stuff around me is, and then explain what my plans are for this in the future. So, over here, you can see a dinosaur. That's actually sitting in front of the 3D printers. This is where my other half, Chris, regularly 3D prints stuff. You can see some of the things he's made behind him, including this giant submarine. Next to our 3D printer, we have a normal printer. And the part that I actually kind of am embarrassed about is even in my house, behind my desk, I have a periodic table hanging. It's an old one that came out of my first classroom in Texas. I thought it was pretty cool. It moved with me, and now it's hanging behind my desk. So even when teaching through a pandemic, I have the elements written. You can also see my dog. Well, boyfriend's dog. It's right over here. That one's Stella. And trying to get under my desk. Right here. This is Cody. I'm sure they'll be interrupting. Okay, so the goal is, for me, sometime tomorrow, to go through the section of the PowerPoint that we were going to cover next, which is the section on weak acids. Let me pull that up real fast. I have it right here. It is going to be Chapter 14, Section 5, Calculating the pH of Weak Acid Solutions. So my goal is to get recordings of that PowerPoint up sometime tomorrow, and also assign a few practice problems that you can do to make sure that you understand what's going on there. So, I'll leave you with that. Hopefully sometime tomorrow I'll get the next PowerPoint posted, and if you have questions, the best way to get a hold of me is probably going to be email, but if there's quite a few people who have questions and would like to sort of find a time to work problems together and ask them, we can certainly do that. I can set up a Google Hangout, or maybe we could all Skype, something like that. I'll have to figure out what exactly would work best for that. So, I hope you guys are home and you're safe and you've enjoyed your time off. I miss you very much. And I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow if you watch the next video. But also, if you are coming to school Thursday between 9 and noon to pick up school supplies, academic resources, I will be there. One last thing, which I probably should have said first, is please stop emailing me about test corrections. I will give you all the benefit of the doubt and assume everyone was going to come in and do test corrections, and I will give everyone half points back on every question. All right, so give me a second, give me a day to get all of that entered and do some math, but please don't worry about your AP chemistry grade. Just stay home and stay safe. I miss you guys. Bye.